Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Hey, today I had some leftovers with the chorizo, and I had some peppers, I have a lot of stuff, and I thought I would just clean that up and we're going to make a breakfast quesadilla today. And that's what we're going to do today on Cooking with Corey. And it's going to clean out the fridge a little bit and just do that. Yeah, nothing special, but it's going to be delicious because we like delicious. Anyway, let's get to our shout outs for the day. And we got how to cook smarter. Last recipe we put up was a black bean salad, which looks delicious. He's got a lot of delicious salads and simple stuff that you can do. Go check him out. Tom's Food Factory. Go check him out. His last video was Chicago Dog, and it looked delicious. And then we got BC Benny Tank Top Cooking. He just did a hamburger soup. Hey, this stuff looked delicious. We'll give him a check out. And Tom Horsman, go check him out. He just did a reverse seared ribeye cowboy steak, and it looked delicious. And he's got a lot of great stuff on his channel. It's anything from helping you with your smoker to your grill to everything to some great food. So go check them out. Go check them all out. They're all great channels. Let's get a quesadilla going next here on Cooking with Corey. Alright guys, our ingredients for today are as follows. So, tortillas, burrito style, some heavy cream, some onion, some leftover red bell, some green onion, some poblano, some cheese, some delicious salsa of your choice. And we still got some more of that chorizo, maybe a little bit of Tabasco, and some eggs. The prankster is gone, so I know my board is clean. She is at work today, so hey, no Pepto on my board. Win this round. All right, let's get cooking next. Alright guys, let's get some eggs going. Already right here, we got rolling in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's make it 6. 6 eggs. We're doing a scramble here, so we're gonna add a little cream. 2 tablespoons of cream to that. You don't have to do that. You can use water. You can use milk. You don't even have to do it. Salt, obviously, season it up good. Kosher salt, fresh cracked pepper. Heck yeah, because you need both those in your life. You know, why not? Let's add some Tabasco sauce to this. We already got the chorizo in there. This is full of vinegar. This will pop some flavors and give us a little bit of heat going on in there. So, yeah, so that in there. And just gonna whisk that up. I need to watch that. Bring it back. We start to put this thing together. All right, everyone, let's get this party started here. A little bit of oil. And start putting in our flavorings. So we're gonna put in the garlic to begin with. Get that going a little bit. So we'll get the garlic going, and we will get the onion going. Put that all in the mix there. A little bit of pepper. It'll be alright. A little bit of salt. A little bit of fresh cracked pepper. get that spread through, and we'll be back. Alright peeps, we are sweating and we are cooking, and our garlic and onion is getting delicious. Let's add some peppers to the mix. Our red bells and our poblano. Keep this get all quesadilla on the up and up here. Alright, so we are going to give that just a little bit more, and then we're going to add some chorizo, make sure we get that cooked. Then obviously we're going to add our eggs, get that cooked, and then we're going to make quesadilla. We are looking good. It's time to add some chorizo to the mix. So, coming up, obviously, my hands are clean. Get this into the mix here. This will be part of our scramble. This will be part of what's going to be going on in our quesadilla, our finished product. So, we're going to get 2 legs of this in, and we will be back. Alright, peeps, as you can see, our chorizo has been giving off delicious flavor throughout there. Reaching out some flavor. And we are going to add eggs to this. And so, you pour that in. Like so. And we're gonna make basically a scramble. You know, we got the cream in there, we got salt, we got pepper. Gonna bring these scrambled eggs together, and that's gonna be the filling for our quesadilla. And that is looking delicious, if I do say so myself. So I turned the heat down a little bit, so a little slower, because it won't get all cooked up at once. So I'll bring it back when it's done. Alright, our scramble's done. I know there's a little bit of runny parts here and there, but you know, that's gonna cook through. When we're done, I mean, it's gonna carry over cooking because it's got to set, because we got to get our quesadilla ready to go here. So there we got it, and quesadilla. Let's build that sucker next. All right, let's build the quesadilla. There's a tortilla, and we're gonna add a little bit of oil on top of that, and then we're just gonna give it a nice little brush. With that, I'm going to flip it over. And this one, I'm going to do both sides because I'm going to do a triple decker. So, like a Big Mac quesadilla, so to speak. So we want this one to get crispy on both sides. And we'll be back. We got cheese going on of your choice, whatever that might be. We're just using a blend here today. And some of our filling, our chorizo scrambled egg filling here. Get that going on there. And get that spread around there so it's nice and even across the way, because you don't want an uneven quesadilla. That's totally not cool. It's alright, make sure you get the bits and pieces. They're all spread through there. That looks good. And we will add one more layer of cheese here. So, cheese. One I cooked before, like so. We'll go on there. And we will add another layer of our mixture. go on there like so. I should have put some cheese down, but we'll put cheese here on top. It's going to be cheesy regardless, so. Alright, so we got that going. Oops, lost a little bit here. Put that on there. Alright, and obviously cheese. That's it, so we'll add some cheese here. There we go. Alright. Then we will top it off with another tortilla. Grab some oil, butter, whatever you want. Get that all around there like so. Our triple decker quesadilla. Alright, let's flip this. See where we're at here. You guys ready? Let's do it. Alright, looking good. A little wonky on the bottom there, but it's all good. A little smush. Alright, now we're just going to wait for that other side. Then we're going to plate this, and we are going to have a delicious triple decker quesadilla coming up, folks. Oh, go with cheese. You know what? Let's do it. While we're at it, let's just get 4 pieces. That way we're done with the cutting, and we can move on to the things. So, look at that. Now that is a delicious looking quesadilla. I'd definitely eat that. I am definitely going to eat that. I mean, that's good. That's a triple decker quesadilla. We'll plate it next. Alright, let's plate this quesadilla up. Our triple decker chorizo breakfast quesadilla. Salsa your choice, as we talked about earlier. Whatever salsa you like. Feel free to use it. Feel free to put it in the filling if you wanted to too. I mean, there's no reason why you could not do that. And probably put a little bit up top here too. Build up our quesadilla. Alright, it's looking good. So, we will add on some flavors. No sour cream be good here, or whatever you like on your quesadilla. Ranch, you know, if you're a ranch fan, here you go. Add a little bit more salsa to that. Got our green onions, they can go on there. And a little bit of parsley. And whatever else you like in your quesadilla, feel free to throw around there. There we go, people. There's our finished product. Hope you liked the video. Kind of just threw it together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cooking with Corey, and we'll see you next week.